Okay, in our previous step, we mounted the Lexan, mounted the swiper, and wired the swiper. And we're back here at the bench using our test harness for this video training session. And so you've done well, you're just about done. I want to point out just a couple of things here, kind of a summary. And this step is going to do the final testing, including verifying the prices you programmed in. I'm going to go ahead and scroll over here, excuse me, to the coordinator. One thing I want to point out is that this coordinator is probably going to be located in the pump room, in the equipment room, and when you plug it into the internet, you'll notice a green LED flashing. Tom will point that out. That's the run LED. That means you have a valid internet connection. And so this is usually not located by the device. It can't be put into any metal enclosure. And it wirelessly transmits to the CryptoPay swipers. In this case, the swiper that's on the front of the auto cashier. Now, a verification that you wired the swiper correctly as far as power goes is the swiper is now running its sporty LED light bar, and that's a multicolor light bar. That means you've wired it correctly and it has power. Now the next thing we'd like to do, now that the installation is done, we're in testing mode, is we're going to verify the prices. So Tom is going to press each button, and you'll notice the display shows that $9 price for the first button. And it also says the name, double wash and wax. Pressing the next button on the front of your auto cashier shows the $8 wash, and again, verify your name. The $7 wash. Wash and wax on the nice new display. And $6 and wash and rinse on the display. Okay, now we're back to the standard greeting on the display, and by the way, that's the one you picked. And right now the display says welcome, select item, please. Tom is selecting the item. He's going to swipe the credit card in the CryptoPay swiper. Notice the CryptoPay swiper went blue and the display says verifying card. Sale approved has now been displayed, and the swiper has now vended its pulses, and the wash is running. Now let's take a look at the display now. It says welcome, select item. So it is ready to go ahead and select another item now. So we'll run the cycle one more time. Swipe card, LED light bar goes blue. Verifying card message is displayed. Sale approved. Purchase is complete. Okay, now the message says car wash is in use. That's because there's a car in the tunnel being washed and another car waiting. So all the queuing messages work the way they should with the CryptoPay credit card system as well. Now we have a little switch on our display here, which Tom's going to go ahead and flip. That simulates the car leaving the wash, and that's why the display says thank you, please drive ahead, thank you, please drive ahead. So now you see the CryptoPay swiper went back to its multicolor waterfall, and the next wash is ready. Okay, that's the installation for the ACW 4 and 5. If you follow these instructions, you'll do well. Thanks so much.